Bertolucci's Body and Fender Shop, founded by Richard Bertolucci, is recognized for its long-standing presence and contributions to the community. Bertolucci began modifying cars with his father Mario in 1943. In 1948, he opened his own custom body workshop. Initially, it was located at his father's home. He then moved to 21st and Broadway, and in the late 1950s, he switched his energies to conventional body, fender, and collision work. Over the decades, the business has flourished, maintaining a reputation for high-quality craftsmanship and exceptional customer service. Bertolucci's success can be attributed to its unwavering commitment to excellence and innovation in auto body repair. The shop has consistently invested in state-of-the-art equipment and training, ensuring that the technicians are well-versed in the latest repair techniques and technologies. This dedication to staying ahead of industry standards has earned them a loyal customer base and numerous accolades within the automotive repair industry. The business remains family-owned and operated and continues to uphold the values of integrity, quality, and community involvement instilled by Richard. This hands-on approach ensures that the shop's legacy of excellence is preserved and that each customer receives personalized and attentive service. Beyond their business success, Bertolucci's Body and Fender Shop is deeply embedded in the Sacramento community. The shop has a long history of participating in local charities and community activities. They have supported various causes, including youth sports programs, local schools, and community development initiatives. This commitment to giving back has further endured them to the community and solidified their reputation as a business that genuinely cares about its neighbors.